Dapitan arcade shopping and safety tips. Planning to go to Dapitan soon? Here are some tips that might be helpful to you. Go there early to avoid the crowd. If you really want to go here, make the effort to wake up early. You can negotiate the price, especially if you are buying in bulk. But remember that the prices are already cheap, so don't haggle too much. The businesses need to survive too. Let's help each other. Shop around. If you have time, canvas items and compare prices first. Before you do your final purchase, don't buy on the spot. More often than not, you will find the same items in other stalls, shops. Explore. Again, there are lots of other stalls and shops aside from the main indoor market. In fact, there's a new bigger building. Adjacent to it, there are also stalls and tents lining the side streets around the area. Before leaving, make sure to check the items for scratches or defects. Please handle the items with care when checking them out. Put them back exactly where you picked them up. If you are bringing your car, don't leave your valuables inside. Place them in the trunk or bring them with you. Secure your valuables. Always keep an eye on them. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.